Me and Ranger up on Kennesaw Mountain today, and it is windy and cold and beautiful up here. Absolutely beautiful up here. We've been walking maybe about an hour at best. Not even that maybe, but we're on the backside of Kennesaw, heading over the top of Cheatham Hill. Little Kennesaw, whatever you call it. Been coming up here for years, still don't know. God, it is gorgeous up here today. I'm just amazed at how beautiful a mountain in the woods can be in the snow. What do you think, Big Ranger? Huh?